Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got the brand new Summer Spritz Duo from Mini Macaron to share with you. If you guys are new to Mini Macaron, they are a gel polish brand, and all of their gel polishes have a 3-in-1 formula, and they're all vegan, cruelty-free, and 9-free. They also have the most adorable macaron shaped LED lamps, and I've got a bunch of reviews showing their gel manicure kits as well as their Maxi kit and a bunch of swatches, so if you want to see some more of my LMM videos, you can click the playlist in the corner of your screen. These gel polishes retail for $12 each, or you could pick up the Duo for $20, and don't forget you can use my non-affiliate code caramellogram10 to get 10% off regular price items at leminimacaron.com. The first half of this duo is a Mini Macaron classic called Bubblegum Crush, and this is a cool toned bubblegum pink cream polish. Here I'm applying my first coat of Bubblegum Crush, and remember, with Mini Macaron gels you always want that first coat to be very thin, so it is going to be a little bit sheer, and then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds in my Rose Creme LED light. Then I went in with a slightly thicker second coat and I reached full opacity. It was perfect for me in 2 coats, and I'm curing it one more time for 30 seconds in my LED light. So here are 2 coats of Bubblegum Crush. The other half of the Summer Spritz Duo is called Papaya Sorbet, which is the newest Mini Macaron shade, and it's described as a fresh, fruity, and vibrant orange. And I feel like this name is so fitting because I think the best description for this polish is that it is a true papaya orange. Again, I'm going in with a super thin coat for my first coat and then curing it for 30 seconds in my LED light. Again, I'm going in with a slightly thicker second coat, and I was able to reach full opacity on most of my nails with 2 coats, but if your second coat is pretty thin, you may need a third coat. And I'm just going to cure that in my LED light for 30 seconds, and here are 2 coats of Papaya Sorbet. So here's one more look at the swatches of Bubblegum Crush and Papaya Sorbet from the brand new Mini Macaron Summer Spritz Duo. I will leave a link down below in the description to where you can shop these shades, and don't forget you can use my code caramellogram10 to get 10% off regular price items at leminimacaron.com. And if you want to see some of my other Mini Macaron videos, including my review of the gel manicure kit as well as the Maxi kit, you can click the card on your screen or down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!